Meet Ramesh. At 50 years old, Ramesh has achieved everything he dreamt of as a young man. Ramesh runs a small local business, a store called M Creations. M Creations sells fashion apparel and jewelry in suburbs of Mumbai, India. He has been running the store for almost 30 years, since it was passed down from his father. Ramesh has 10 employees, many of which have been with him for years. It costs Ramesh 4,000 US dollars a month to keep his store running. But Ramesh is afraid. Over the past 3 years, he has been steadily losing customers that used to be loyal. Ramesh is losing customers to Amazon. Ramesh is losing to Paytm. And Ramesh is losing to Flipkart. So Ramesh has tried many things to turn around his business. He started running sales, but then customers started demanding discounts all the time. He tried ads in local newspaper, but they didn't work. He tried handing out flyers around neighborhood, but they didn't work either. Ramesh even tried to advertise on Facebook and Google, but that was a complete waste of money. He spent 15 US dollars to get just one customer. We are Token. Token helps small businesses partner together to bring in more customers. Small business owners like Ramesh can now work together with other local businesses to cross promote and grow their business, all with zero marketing cost. Let me show you how it works. Ramesh receives an invite to the Token community platform from a friend who runs a nearby hair salon. He creates an account, there is no charge. Token is free. Ramesh answers questions about his business that a machine learning based matchmaking system uses to bring in great customers. Ramesh chooses how many new customers he wants, and Token creates the same number of 500 rupees token gift cards and loads them onto the community platform to be directed to M Creations. He then receives the same number of 500 rupees token gift cards that he can give to his customer for use at other businesses. Whenever a customer buys something at Ramesh's store, he thanks them by giving them a token gift card, while other businesses across the community are also thanking their customers with 500 rupees token gift card to be used at other community businesses. After a customer receives a token gift card, they activate it on Token, they fill in their personal details and answers questions about their preferences that a machine learning based matchmaking system uses to suggest businesses they might like. Token matches the customer to a number of businesses and they can select the business that appeals the most. The customer then receives a full value gift voucher for the business over WhatsApp. The customer redeems their gift voucher at a newly discovered business and can share their experience by leaving a review. Every time a customer uses a gift card to make a purchase, the business shares 10% of the total transaction value with Token. And businesses can also rate customers, helping our matchmaking algorithm deliver new customers who are more likely to make repeat purchases. When Ramesh opens his dashboard, he can see where his existing and new customers are coming from, who is sending customers his way, and how many of his new customers will return after their initial purchase. There are 30 million small local businesses in India, and they all face the challenge of bringing new customers. Token brings new customers to local businesses without marketing spend and without discounting, which hurts a business's reputation. Our team has experience in building and scaling startups in community and e-commerce space. Starting with me, I was the founding team member at Creda, which raised 20 million US dollars, where I headed product marketing and built a community of 10 million automobile users. Khamar drove growth at Creda where he helped it scale from 0 to $50 million in gross transaction value. Vivek was the chief architect of AI and machine learning at Miko, a $40 million edutech startup. In addition, our advisors bring deep industry experience. For example, Ashish is the head of rewards for Kitopi, which earlier this year closed $60 million and is one of the world's largest cloud kitchens with operations across 5 countries. We have signed over 1,500 merchants, and since COVID hit, we have doubled the number of businesses on the platform. Our small business partners have brought over 100,000 consumers onto our platform with an acquisition cost of zero. Our consumers have already activated 200,000 token gift cards, representing 200,000 new customers for our small business partners, and we are growing 20% every month. And our small business partners have seen 800,000 dollars in gross transaction value, revenue they would never have generated without token.